Hello, and welcome to Blue Prism. Today we're going to be discussing RoboReview. RoboReview is a solution created by Reveal Group, who is part of Blue Prism's Technology Alliance Partner Program, otherwise known as TAP. RoboReview is an intelligent automation tool that will grade and review your Blue Prism automations. RoboReview will tell you areas in your automations that need fixing, flag areas in your automations that could be problematic, and give you percentage grades that are graded against Blue Prism's best practices. This ensures you're building resilient and scalable processes that will run smoothly. Let's take a look. I'm now logged into Reveal Group's RoboReview. Let's take a look at what's going on. First, we've got some requester details. As I've logged in, it pulls my company, my user, and the assessment date. We also have some release details, so we can look at your different stages and any of the Blue Prism versions that it supports. Finally, we're going to simply attach our release file, so the automation in Blue Prism, and upload that here. Let's take a look. I've now attached my release file by simply hitting the upload button, and it breaks it out into two categories: the processes that you've selected and your objects, so any of these that we check are going to be reviewed by RoboReview. Now, keep in mind, Blue Prism comes with several business objects out of the box, such as Microsoft Excel VBO, so we know those already adhere to Blue Prism's best practices, so those you cannot review. Now that we've submitted this, we'll go ahead and hit Submit button, and we'll get an email in about a minute that will have our review for us to look at. RoboReview will then send you an email that automatically generates your process and objects and some scores to go along with them. As I scroll down here, I can see the process and the three objects that go along with it that we submitted to RoboReview, and their scores in the appropriate column over here. These scores are a percentage based on how well your process or object matched to Blue Prism's best practices. They're also on the bottom of the screen in the corresponding tabs. Taking a look at our first process, we can see the topic column over here on the left, such as block usage, and the considerations that go along with that. For instance, our data items and collections grouped in blocks type. We can see the results and the impact it will have on your automation. We can also look at the Blue Prism impact area for that topic. We also include some notes as well as further information for more reading. On the right, you'll have a link to errors and warnings, which also corresponds to your tab over here on the bottom. And this will show us areas that we need to have errors or warnings and go in and fix. This will ensure our processes are resilient. Partnering Blue Prism with a tool like RoboReview is going to really take your RPA journey to the next level. Your automations will have less errors when moving into production. Your automations are going to become more accurate. And you're going to probably have less problems in the control room due to your processes and objects being stronger and more resilient. And of course, this will be a better review process for all your Blue Prism developers. There are many more benefits to RoboReview. This is just a quick sneak peek into the solution. For more information, head over to our digital exchange at digitalexchange.blueprism.com and search RoboReview. We have all sorts of information, case studies, and pricing there for you. So go ahead and feel free to get started. Thanks so much for watching today.